Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Central bankers face a more challenging economic landscape than they have experienced in decades, and will find it harder to root out high inflation. Top multilateral officials and monetary policymakers have warned. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has decided not to object to Ripple Labs' request to seal the identities of certain non-parties and Ripple employees in the Daubert motions, as its lawsuit against Ripple drags on. Honda has struck a deal with Korean battery giant LG Energy Solution to build a $4.4 billion US factory to supply its electric vehicles. Companies said in a recent joint news release that they plan to begin construction in early 2023 to prepare for mass production by the end of 2025.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller home price indices at 1300 hours GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's import price index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's industrial production at 2350 GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.